Welcome to the Fox 59 Marketplace.
We are here today at WIBC in studio. We're so excited. Joining us is Will Sadler of Transitions of Indiana. And joining us is not one, but two very special guests, the chicks on the right. Amy Jo, I know you kind of struggle with some hypothyroidism.
I do. Hypothyroidism, I've noticed a lot of shedding in the shower of my hair. So Transitions has helped with that, with the laser therapy. Once, twice a week I've been going in, and I've seen a huge difference just in the thickness and the quality of my hair.
Miriam, how about you?
Well, I'm approaching 50, and so for me it was more about restoring the hair that I have and preventing future hair loss because of hormone changes, and so Transitions has been a perfect answer for that.
So these guys are about 7 months into the process. Walk us through what you've done.
For sure. So yeah, we've got two different ladies here, two unique reasons for hair loss, and for that reason, that's why we customize treatment plans and we take a global approach with this. So the chicks, we've got them doing laser hair therapy, which is FDA approved. We're doing scalp treatments as well, and with CR Labs products, which is trichology based, and they're looking great.
I have to ask, what has the reaction been from friends and family?
People have told me that they notice there's a lot more thickness to my hair and the texture of it, and really for me it's just, I notice a difference, which makes me happier, which is a benefit to everybody around me.
Yeah. And meanwhile, I'm going to the hairdresser a lot more often, and she keeps asking why I need trim so much more often, and it's because it's growing so fast.
It's working, that's awesome. Okay, so Will, how do our viewers at home look like these guys?
Just give us a call, 317-522-2991.
You can also check them out online at transitionsindy.com.